Alrighty, now we need to drive traffic to the Facebook fan page that we just made. And to do that, we're going to need to go to the Facebook Ads Manager and create an ad. First, log into your Facebook account, then click this little arrow right here. Now click this Manage Ads link, and your Facebook Ads Manager should open. Now if by some reason you don't find the Ads Manager, just go to this URL here. Now, I have most of this page blurred out because I don't want everyone to find and copy all of my campaigns. Okay, there's something you may have already noticed about Facebook is they change constantly. They add things, they take things away, they give things to different people in different locations. So as we go through this training, you may see a few things that are different in your account than what you're seeing here on my screen. If you don't have something in your account, it may or may not be available to you yet. They don't roll out things to their entire audience all at once, just in case there are bugs or other problems. So just be aware of this as we go. Now, if you don't already have a credit card on file with Facebook, you'll need to go here to Billing and enter your credit card info. And this is how you'll pay for your ads. Next, we'll need to set up a conversion pixel. This is how we're going to track our sales. A conversion pixel is a tiny bit of JavaScript code, but don't worry, it's just copy and paste. I have sort of a love-hate relationship with the Facebook conversion pixel. I love it because you can get so much valuable information from it, and I'll show you that later in the reports. And I hate it because it only tracks about 50 to 70% of your sales. It only shows sales that are coming directly from the Facebook ad. But I'm going to be showing you how to get sales not only from the Facebook ad, but also from shares, likes, and organic viral traffic. Unfortunately, those sales aren't tracked. So let's go here to Conversion Tracking, then click Create Pixel. For Choose a Category, we're going to choose Checkouts. Now we need to name our pixel. You'll want to name your pixel for the shirt that the niche is in. For example, mine is boating. You can use the same conversion pixel for all of your shirts, but it's better to create a new pixel for each niche. That's not each shirt, that's per niche. For example, if you ran a Facebook advertising campaign for 3 different shirts in the boating niche, then you could use the same pixel. But if one campaign was for a shirt in the boating niche, then you made another campaign in the sewing niche, you would want a different pixel for each of these campaigns. Now this is not really important for the basic stuff, but as you get into the advanced stuff like retargeting, you'll be glad you set it up this way from the beginning. Okay, now click Create Pixel. Okay, so here's the JavaScript that was created. Now we don't need all of this. We only need one number, but if you click anywhere inside of here, everything gets highlighted. So what I usually do is right click, I copy, then I'll paste it to a notepad file. So I'll right click, then paste. Now here's the code that we need right here. I'll highlight it, click copy again. Now I need to take this number that I just copied here in Facebook, then go over to Teespring and paste it into my Teespring campaign. Now here I am in my Teespring account at my campaign. I'll click this little settings button. It looks kind of like a sprocket. And when this opens, go ahead and put a check in this box. This will keep your campaign from being indexed in the search engines and keep copycatters away from finding and stealing your ideas. Now go here and click Conversion Pixels. Then you'll see this campaign and all campaigns. Select this campaign and paste the number that you copied right in here. Then click Update. If it works correctly, you'll see that your snippet has been successfully updated. Alright, so let's go back to Facebook. I'll close this window. Now here's our conversion pixel, boating, and the number's right below it here in case you accidentally closed the window before you copied it. And over here it shows that the pixel is unverified. You may even get a pop-up that's saying it's not installed properly and go test it, but don't worry about that. It won't become verified until you actually get a sale. Now that's something to remember because I do get a lot of comments from people saying, oh, my pixel's not verified, it's not tracking, I got an error message, what's going on? Just remember that we did select checkouts, so your pixel won't be verified until somebody checks out and actually buys a shirt. So we're good to go with the conversion pixels, so now we'll scroll up and go back to the campaigns page.